In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Notion AI. If you want a cleaner workspace or simply prefer to turn off AI-related features while using Notion, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along whether you are using the desktop app or the web version. To get started, open your Notion app, or if you use Notion in your browser, go ahead and open that instead. Make sure you are logged into the workspace where you want to change the settings. Once Notion is open, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Near the top left corner, you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the main settings area for your account or workspace. After the Settings panel appears, look through the options until you find Notion AI. Select that section to view the available AI-related settings. This is where Notion places the controls for features that use artificial intelligence. So if you've been seeing suggestions or AI prompts and want to reduce or remove them, this is the area you'll need. Inside the Notion AI settings, you may see individual features listed separately. These can include things like smart suggestions, inline help, or similar AI-assisted tools. Go through each available option and toggle off any individual AI features that are currently enabled. Disabling these one by one gives you more control, especially if you want to turn off all AI behavior in your workspace experience. As you make these changes, take a moment to confirm that each toggle has actually switched off. Sometimes it helps to pause for a second and visually check the setting before moving on. This can save time later if something still appears active, once you've turned off the AI features you don't want. The final step is to refresh your page if you are using Notion in a browser, or restart the app if you are using the desktop version. This helps apply the changes properly and ensures your updated settings take effect. After reopening or refreshing Notion, you should see the new behavior reflected in your workspace. And that's it. That's how to disable Notion AI in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching.